Unveiling the magic, live music capital of Texas. Welcome to the vibrant city of Austin, Texas, famously known as the live music capital of the world. Here, music is not just a hobby, it's a way of life that pulses through the city. Every corner of Austin reverberates with diverse sounds from blues and rock to Indian country. This city offers a unique musical experience that caters to every taste, ensuring an unforgettable journey. Stroll down 6th Street, where the heart of Austin's music scene beats the loudest. Iconic venues line the street, showcasing both legendary acts and emerging artists eager to share their sound. The annual South by Southwest Festival transforms Austin into an international music hub. Artists and fans from around the globe converge to celebrate creativity, innovation, and the unifying power of music. Beyond the big venues and festivals, Austin's music thrives in its intimate settings. Discover hidden gems in cozy coffee houses and atmospheric bars where local talent regularly captivates audiences. Live music accompanies every Austin experience, from dining at eclectic restaurants to lounging at scenic parks. The city's soundtrack enhances every moment, offering a harmonious backdrop to your adventures. The influence of live music extends beyond entertainment, shaping the city's culture and community. Musicians and music lovers alike find a welcoming and thriving environment to express and share their passion. Austin's music scene is deeply inclusive, embracing diverse genres and backgrounds. This melting pot of sounds fosters creativity, encouraging collaboration and innovation among artists, resulting in fresh, captivating performances. Don't miss a visit to the legendary Austin City Limits Live. This iconic venue and television series have hosted countless luminaries, securing Austin's prestigious place in the music industry. The city's vibrant music history is preserved in its museums and landmarks, offering a glimpse into the past and present of Austin's musical journey. These sites provide context and depth to its rich legacy. Local markets and street fairs are alive with melodies, featuring everything from live bands to impromptu jam sessions. These spontaneous performances highlight the city's spontaneous and dynamic musical spirit. Austin's educational institutions, like the University of Texas, support the live music scene with programs and events that nurture aspiring musicians and foster appreciation for this vital cultural element. As the sun sets over the city, the skyline illuminates with neon lights, and the sounds of live music fill the air. Austin offers a magical atmosphere that promises memories to last a lifetime. Whether you're a music aficionado or a casual listener, Austin invites you to explore its vibrant tapestry of melodies and rhythms. Embrace the experience and discover why Austin truly is the live